Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend so far. We have made it to day number 141 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer on ClickBank. We're using a service called My Lead Gen Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a pretty good income doing so within 1 year to see if we can earn more income as the years go. So I just wanted to come back here and show you guys another video. If you go back and watch these previous videos, you can kind of get up to speed on where we started and then where we are right now. All right. So we've made it to day number 141 of this challenge. Let's go ahead and hop on over here to My Lead Gen Secrets. If you don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, it's an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into your back office here, you're either going to see 100 or 200 brand new subscribers. Okay. So what separates the two, whether you get 100 or 200, is based on how many accounts that you have. All right. So if you have only one account, you're only going to get 100 leads. All right. If you have multiple accounts, you will get 200 leads, but on that last account, you will have 100 leads until you get somebody to sign up underneath your last account. Okay. And then you'll have 200 leads across the board. All right. So just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Lead Gen Secrets over a few years now, maybe three and a half, something like that. I totally love the service. You know, I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. Okay. It does convert. Okay. These leads they do buy. Okay. But this is cold traffic. Okay. These people have no idea who you are. You have to literally come in here and send out emails every single day. Okay. That's the only way you're going to get these people attention, to get them to, figure out what you're doing, and then they'll begin to trust you and they'll begin to buy from you. Okay. So I just wanted to share that with you. This is something that I've been doing, guys. I just now coming out shooting videos and kind of showing you guys the income potential, and what it could do for you. Okay. Now I do have other things that I do online to make money, but this is one thing that I feel like is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Pretty much all you're doing is copying and pasting emails over to the system and using your affiliate link to put in your email and then click send. That's pretty much all you have to do. And I'm going to go over just a few things on how you get this thing started. Okay. So, first, with My Lead Gen Secret, there's going to be two main ways that you make money with My Lead Gen Secret. Okay. Number one is going to be to promote My Lead Gen Secret itself. Okay. You can literally come in here and promote this company right here using your affiliate link. Okay. And earn money with My Lead Gen Secret. Okay. And how you would do that to start out doing that is first you got to obviously create your account. But what you're going to need to do is come here to the affiliates tab, and then from this promo tools right here, you can just scroll down and you're going to be able to use these pre-written emails that are already in here. Okay. So that's all you would have to do is just come in here and promote these emails to promote this company. Okay. And then once you do that, you will start seeing revenue come from, you promoting the company. Okay. So that's going to be one way that you can make money with My Lead Gen Secrets. Okay. The other most popular way is going to be using a network, affiliate network platform. Okay. Such as ClickBank. You can use Warrior Plus. You can use Max Bounty. You can use Blue Media Ventures. Those are CPA networks that you can go. You can grab offers, create emails around those offers, and send them to this traffic. Okay. Now we're using ClickBank for this challenge, and I'm using ClickBank because those offers on ClickBank work very well with this My Lead Gen Secret traffic. Okay, that's why I have been using ClickBank, because it works. Okay, so you will see results if you send out emails, if you're consistent on what you're doing. Okay. So those are going to be the two ways to make money with My Lead Gen Secret. Just pick one and then just get started. All right. Now there's going to be three ways that you can create your email to send out to this traffic. Okay. Number one is going to be, if you're good at creating emails and creating ad copy, You can, write on a notepad, come up with an email, a real enticing email. Grab the affiliate link from whatever network that you're using. Grab the business opportunity affiliate link and then plug it into your email that you created, and you can send that. Okay, that's one way to do it, is just writing the email yourself. Okay, the second way is going to be to use a AI service such as Chat GPT or some kind of email AI service that you can use to create emails. And you can, create, really good emails and send those out to this traffic as well. And then the last thing is going to be using the free pre-written emails from the vendor, okay, of the offer that you're promoting on ClickBank. All right. So that's the cool thing about doing this with ClickBank, is that these offers, they already have pre-written emails that you can use. That pretty much all you have to do is go and find an email, okay, and copy and paste that over. All right, which is going to be pretty easy to do. All right. So this is going to be the back office when you get started, guys. The only thing difference between your emails and mine is the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Okay, that's the only difference between you and your account and my account, and then obviously your affiliate link. But what you're going to do pretty much is you're going to come here to this mailing system, and obviously first you're going to have to go to clickbank.com, create your free account. Okay, go to the e-business e-marketing section, and you would pick out one of those business opportunity offers. All right, so pretty much you would go there, and they have the free email swipes that you would use. So you would pretty much come here to the mailing system, click on all of your emails so you can get ready to send those out. Okay. And you would come down here. Now, all the emails that you send out, that they will be saved in here. So when you go to these offers on ClickBank, they're going to have about 20 different free email swipes that you can use. Send out all 20 of them. Okay. And then once you send them out, they'll be stored in here. Okay. So pretty much all you would have to do is just pick out an email, and then just send it. Okay. So say for instance, you would just pick out an email and then just click load. And then what that does, it loads up your email and you can send this email out right here. Okay. Make sure you click on perfect timing. All right. And then you can come down here, and then there's going to be a link that you're going to turn into a clickable link. So pretty much you would just create your email, highlight this. Okay. And then click on this link tab. So you can just, like, say for instance, you want to turn something into a clickable link, you just highlight it and then click on this link tab, and then plug in your affiliate link right here. Okay. This is where you're going to plug in your link. It's going to turn it into a clickable link. And then that way you'll be able to, get paid and get someone, actually to go over to your affiliate page. Okay. All our job is to do, guys, is to go to, is basically to, let me show you what this email looks like. Let me go to the affiliates, not statistics. Okay. Let me just show you what this looks like in real time. Right. So you just pretty much go here. And then you would just go down here, and then you would click on this link right here. Okay. And it'll take you to, your affiliate page. All right. That's pretty much it. All right. So that's pretty much how you would do it. You would create the email and then just send it off. Right. Super easy to do, guys. All right. So that's how easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system. You come here, there's a subject line right there, there's a body of text right here. You click on perfect timing. You make sure that your link is in there, like I just showed you, by going here, click on the affiliate link, all that. Super easy to do. If you need more in-depth, instructions, go back and watch my previous videos on how to send out emails, because I've been doing this, every single day in this video series, and I've been showing you guys literally how to do it step by step. So it's getting to a point where it's just, you probably get the drift. If not, you just go back and watch those previous videos, guys. All right. So, and another thing about the My Legion Secret, you can send out your emails every 24 hours. Okay. So me, I've already sent out my emails today. You can pick whatever time works best for you to send these emails out. So me personally, I like to, let me fix my camera here. So me personally, I like to send my emails out at night. Okay. I used to send them out early in the morning. But I like to send mine out at late at night. Okay. Cause for my accounts, guys, I got 8 accounts. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails. Doesn't take long at all, especially if you already have the emails. That's the cool thing about this system is that you create the emails one time, make sure that you spend time creating emails, coming up with something unique, or just using the free emails that are in there. And then once you have them stored in there, then you can just go back to them and just, keep copying and paste them, or you can just load them up and then click send. Like it's just so easy to do. So that's what I would recommend. Just make sure you create all your emails first. And then after like 40 days of you doing it, just create all those emails. And then you got 40 days worth of emails that you can just keep using over and over and over again. And that's what I do. Okay. So but that's how easy it is to send out an email in the system. Like I said, every 24 hours you can come in and send your emails out. Okay. And that's how you do it, guys. Every single day is what you come in, you send these same emails out every single day. Okay. That's all you have to do. So that's how it is to send out an email. If you got any questions, send me a message. Let me know if you got any type of questions or anything you need help on, or if you got any pointers, right? Okay. So, or anything or a comment if you just want to comment on something. So like, subscribe this video. Let me know what you think about this stuff, guys, and it can definitely help the community. All right. So I sent my emails out last night. Let's go over and check the results and see how we did. Okay. Today is the 14th of September. I like to do last 30 days as of right now. I'll switch it back to days, but right now I'm just doing last 30 days. That way you can kind of see the algorithm and you can see how this thing is going like this or if it's going like this, right? That's why I'm showing you this last 30 days. Okay. So you can kind of see, but today is the 14th and these are the last 30 days as far as results. Okay. This is what the algorithm has been looking like. So as you can see, the sales have been pretty good, been pretty consistent. So as you can see, the algorithm looks like from right here, it's looking like every day or every other day. So as you can see, there's a little gap right here. We were getting sales every day, and then we missed a day. We got a sale here, right here, guys. I was out of town, as you may know if you've been watching these videos. I was in Nebraska, helping my daughter move in for college. And then as soon as I got back, okay, I started to send my emails and got on them real heavy, sending them every day. And as you can see, this has been the algorithm. Okay. And I have not stopped. So this has been the algorithm right now, either every day, every other day, or every 2 days. We haven't gone more than 2 days without getting a sale. Okay. Which is telling me that this algorithm is getting closer and closer and closer together. Okay. When we first started out in this particular challenge, we may get a sale here, maybe a sale next week, maybe a sale, in a week and a half, right? It was just kind of hit and miss on when the sales were coming in. But as we sent emails every single day and did not miss a beat, okay, did not miss a video, okay, our sales started to get closer and closer. So we get one every 6 days, all right, one every 5 days. Maybe next week we'll get one every 4 days, one every 3 days, right? And now we've gotten to a point where we're getting them one every other day or every 2 days, okay? Which is really good. We're in month 5 of this challenge, and we're getting pretty close to where we want to be, okay? So month 6, month 7, the sales should probably pick up a little bit more, and then eventually you'll start seeing the algorithm where we're getting sales every other day, every day. Okay. Now, I have multiple ClickBank accounts. I've been doing this for a while, guys, so I can tell you that I started over on one offer that we're using for this challenge, so I can kind of give you, just a bird's eye view on what it would look like and what the future holds. Okay. So starting out, the sales are slow. Okay. When you get started, your sales are going to be slow. You're not going to make sales every single day. Okay. That's just not how this system works. Now, if you're doing paid advertising, that may be something different. Okay. Because you're paying for the traffic, you're paying for targeted customers, and you can basically pick and choose, how much money you want to make with paid advertising. Okay. With this is a little bit different, right? This is more like, you having your own traffic, your own cold traffic at your fingertips. Okay. Your sales are not going to be guaranteed, but I can tell you this, if you stay consistent with it, after some time, your sales will be more guaranteed because you have basically committed to sending these emails out every day and you kind of know what to expect. Just like here was what I'm showing you here with the algorithm. Like, I know what to expect. Like I know I'm not going to go over 2 days without getting a sale. Okay. If I send my emails out every day, I'm not going to go over 2 days without getting a sale. Okay. I may get them every day for a few days. I may, not get them on one day. Okay. Which is no biggie. Okay. We got a sale today. Right. So we got a commission today. So it's just to show you just as the real algorithm is going to be like starting from right here all the way up until today. This the algorithm that we're looking at right now. Okay. And then as we get closer and closer to the months as we progress, these sales are going to start getting closer and closer together. So we may be getting them, we may just start going from every 2 days just only missing one day. All right. And that's what it's going to look like. And then eventually it's just going to get boom. We're going to start getting sales every single day. Okay. Because the cool thing about the offer that we're promoting an offer that has a residual billing to the customer. So basically the customer signs up, okay, for the offer. Okay. They do a free trial. Okay, they get billed 3 days later after the free trial. So when they sign up, we don't get paid right then. We get paid. We get the sale, but we don't get paid till 3 days later. So once that person signs up for the free trial, we get paid in 3 days, and then after we get paid, that next month on the same day, we get paid again, and we get paid again and again and again each and every month. Okay. And the whole idea here, guys, is why I'm promoting that offer is because the whole idea is to get multiple people signing up and multiple people getting billed for the program each and every month. Okay. And that's how we're able to build, residual income, right? We have money coming in and month out, people getting billed every single month, right? And that's what we want. And that's what's going to give us the $20 days, the $40 days. We're going to have $60 days. We're going to have $80 days, right? And we're going to have $100 days. It just depends on how long you stick with this, right? How can you send out emails every single day? Okay. And how passionate are you about, changing your income circumstances? That's what it all comes down to. Like, how motivated are you to earn income online, pretty much? Okay. So, like I said, this right here takes me no more than 5 to 10 minutes just to make this little chump change right here. Okay. So I just wanted to come in and show you guys what it would look like. If you guys want to get started, I did leave a link below this video. Okay. Right here, you go to the more tab, click on this tiny URL. It's going to take you to the My Legion secret landing page. You come here and you come down here and you see all the testimonials. You see people making money with this program. Okay. So I'm not the only one making money. There's other people that are making money with this program, guys, and this is something that you can do as well. So come here, guys, check this program out. There's a one-time charge of $60 to get started, $30 a month to keep your service, and you can get as many accounts as you want. Okay, get multiple accounts. I wouldn't recommend just getting one account because it's going to take you forever to start seeing results. I would at least start out with three, okay, and then maybe no more than five. Okay. And unless you can have the budget to keep those accounts. Okay. And then once you have those accounts, eventually, once you have three accounts and you start making money, then you can reinvest and get more accounts, and then you can start getting your results a little bit faster. Okay. But I just wanted to show you guys how to get started today and show you the income potential. I sent out my emails tonight already. We're going to come back here tomorrow and start our week off on another great week. And we're going to check the results tomorrow, and I'll show you some cool stuff tomorrow. So I'm going to end this video on that note, and I will come back here tomorrow. See you guys at the same time, same place. All right, guys.